Welcome to this module on why was Indus Valley Civilization so called the Harappan Civilization? Why did the Indus Valley Civilization get the name as Harappan Civilization? As you can see the location here, River Indus flows through the entire civilization. It has all the 5 branches flowing through, and this entire slight grey shade which you can observe here is the Harappan area or the Indus Valley Civilization area. Then why did it get the name as Harappan Civilization? So do we not call this as Indus Valley Civilization? Of course, we will definitely call it as Indus Valley Civilization. But it also got a name as Harappan Civilization. Why? Why it has got the name as Harappan Civilization also? That we are going to learn now. First thing, it is because of the culture, what the archaeologists describe. So what is the culture that they are talking about? Archaeologists use the term culture for group of objects distinctive in style that are usually found together within a specific geographical area and a period of time. So archaeologists, when they do the study, they use the term called culture for a group of objects, a distinctive in style, which means there are certain different objects what they use, what they identify, and they are used in a different way, in a different manner, different from the other civilizations how they use it. What cultures we know have a set of objects what they use and have a style of doing it, a distinctive feature, a different feature in style. These two usually found together in a specific geographical area, in a specific location and a specific time period. So here in this case we can see the Harappan civilization has been called during the period of what we have here is, observe this period, that is from 1850 BC to 2350 BC. So during that period, how the things have changed or how they have used their way of living, the way they use the objects, the way they use the things, the way it happened, how they are different from the other cultures that existed before or after the Harappan civilization. That made the archaeologists use the term culture for a particular place, for a particular period of time. So when you define the term culture, you need to remember what are the different type of objects that they use here, what are the distinctive way or the style or the pattern they use it, and in a specific location only you find this kind of different objects or a different style of using the same objects. So geographical location and also the time frame, the period of time, these 4 factors will make us to understand the culture of a place. Now, what is the Harappan culture then? In the case of Harappan culture, these distinctive objects, now here we are coming into the details now. What are the different objects that they have found out? One is seals, beads, weights, stone blades, and even baked bricks. They have found out the distinctive objects, that is seals, beads, weights, stone blades, and even baked bricks. Now where they have found out? These objects were found from the areas as far apart as Afghanistan, Jammu, Baluchistan, the present day Pakistan, and some parts of Gujarat. So here, if you link this to this one, the culture here we are talking about is the group of objects. Here they are giving the distinctive objects. So they combined these two and they made distinctive objects, that is seals, beads, weights, stone blades, and even the baked bricks. Where are these objects found? Now here we mentioned the specific area, geographical area, right? The geographical area is as far as parts of Afghanistan, Jammu, Baluchistan and Gujarat. Now what is that is unique here? Why we are saying this is a unique culture? Harappa was the first site where this unique culture was discovered. Why we are saying this as Harappan civilization? Because it is the first site which is discovered by the archaeologists to understand the unique culture. Unique means only one. There is no the second one. Uni means one. Unique, only one. And this civilization is being dated between 2600 to 1900 BC. Now come back here, look at the definition. Here there are four elements. One is the objects, the distinctive style, geographical area and period of time. If you observe here, they gave here the objects, they gave here the location, they gave the distinctive style of using it, and they are also mentioning here the time period. And here comes the answer for our question. Why is Indus Valley Civilization also known as Harappan Civilization? Because Harappa was the first site where this unique culture was discovered. Now what is the unique culture here? The term culture itself refers to four different elements what we have learned, and this is very rare found during that period or after that period, and it is dated to between 2600 to 1900 BCE. So that's why it is also known as Harappan civilization. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.